Good morning students. Sai Ram. Welcome to EVS class. Students, today in EVS we are going to do revision. I hope you all have done the revision of lesson number 1, that is early humans and their life. So today we are going to do revision of lesson number 2, that is keeping our body healthy. So before starting our revision, we will do a quick recap of this lesson. So are you all ready? Shall we start? Okay. We will revise what we have studied in this lesson in the quick recap form. So shall we start? Our body is like a machine. How our body is? Our body is like a machine. We should keep our body healthy and clean. How we should keep our body? We should keep our body healthy and clean. We should eat healthy food. To keep our body healthy, what we should do? We should eat healthy food. We should do some exercise like running, yoga, dancing, swimming, playing and walking. To keep our body healthy, we should do some exercise like yoga, dancing, walking, playing and swimming to keep our body healthy and fit. We should take proper rest. Our body needs at least 8 to 10 hours of sleep every day. To keep our body fit, we should sleep how many hours? We should sleep at least 8 to 10 hours every day. Our body needs proper rest. We must keep our body clean in order to stay healthy and happy. To keep ourselves fit and healthy, what we should do? We should keep our body clean. If we'll keep our body dirty, what will happen? We will fall sick. We should have a bath every day with soap and water. How we should keep our body clean? How we will keep our body clean? By taking bath every day with soap and water. This way we can keep our body clean. And clean body is healthy and happy. We should shampoo our hair regularly and keep our scalp clean. We should oil our hair regularly and keep it tidy. Now how we can keep our hair clean? By shampooing our hair regularly. We should shampoo our hair regularly. We should tie our hair by proper oiling. We should brush our teeth twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. Now we all know how to keep our hair tidy. Now how to keep our teeth clean? That is we should brush our teeth twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. Before going to bed, we should brush our teeth. And if we will not brush our teeth, what will happen? Our teeth will get germs and it will become rot. In olden days, people used to clean their teeth with the help of neem twigs known as datun. In earlier days, what people used to do? They used to use neem twigs to clean their teeth, which is known as datun. We should cut our nails regularly with the nail clipper. What we should do? We should always cut our nails with the help of nail clipper. If we will not cut our nails, what will happen? Dirt and germs will get in the nails and that dirt and germs will get inside our body and we will fall sick. So we should cut our nails regularly. We should wash our hands with soap and water before and after meal, after going to toilet and coming back from play. So always we should wash our hand before and after meal, before going to after coming from play and after coming from toilet. We should always wash our hands. So students, now we have taken a quick recap of this lesson. So now we will move on towards our revision part. So are you all ready? Shall we start with the revision? Okay. We'll start with the revision part. First question. Click the correct option to fill in the blank. Now students, I will give you 3 options. From that you have to click the correct option to fill in the blank. So are you all ready? Shall we start? Okay, we'll see the first question. We must take good care of our body to dash. I repeat, we must take good care of our body to dash. First option, stay healthy, stay dirty, stay unhealthy. What is the correct option? To stay dirty, we should take good care of our body. To stay unhealthy, if we'll keep our body dirty and unhealthy, what will happen? We will fall sick. So we must take good care of our body to stay, what is the correct answer? To stay healthy. What is the correct option? That is the option A. To stay healthy. We must take good care of our body to stay healthy. Now we'll see the second question. Our body is like a dash. Our body is like a dash. How our body is? Our body is like a paper, machine, or like a bird. How our body is? Like a paper? No. Like a bird? No. Like a machine? Yes. Our body works like a machine, so our body is like a machine. Which option is correct? Option B. That is machine. Which option is correct? Option B. Our body is like a machine. We'll see the next question. We should keep our nails short and get them dashed regularly. What we should do? We should keep our nails short and get them dashed regularly. What we have to do with our nails? We should bite our nails. What is the first option given? We should comb our nails. We should clip our nails, or we should shampoo our nails. What we should do? Which is the correct option? We comb our nails? No. We shampoo our nails? No. Then which option is correct? Which option is correct? What we should do to keep our nails clean? We should clip our nails. What we should do? Clip our nails regularly. That is, we should cut our nails. Clipped means cut our nails. We should clip our nails regularly. Which option is correct? Option B. Now we'll see the next question. Dirty hair can get dash, rot, germs, or lice. What dirty hairs can get? If we will not wash our hair will become dirty. And what dirty hair gets? Rot, germs. Germs get in our hair become rot. No, our teeth become rot. Our teeth get germs. So what happened to our hair? Our hair get lice. Is that option is correct? Yes. Yes. Our hair get, what our hair get? Lice. Dirty hair can get lice. Which option is correct? Option C. Our dirty hair gets lice. What dirty hair gets? Lice. Now we'll see the next heading question. Click the correct option to state whether it is true or false. Now you have to click the correct option and you have to tell whether the statement is true or false. You just have to click whether it is true or false. So are you all ready? Shall we start? Okay. Our first question. We should keep our body unhealthy and dirty. I repeat, we should keep our body unhealthy and dirty. So, is this statement true or false? how we should keep our body unhealthy and dirty. Unhealthy and dirty body will get sick. We will fall sick if we will keep our body unhealthy and dirty. What will happen? We will fall sick. Yes or no? So, is this statement true or false? This statement is false. We should keep our body unhealthy and dirty. No. So, this statement is false. What this statement is? This statement is false. Now, we'll see the next question. We should cut our nails regularly with nail clipper. We should cut our nails regularly with nail clipper. So it is true or false? Is it true? We should cut our nails with nail clipper or we should cut our nails with knife? So is this statement true or false? We should cut our nails with the help of nail clipper. So the statement is true. The statement is true. We should cut our nails regularly with the help of nail clipper. So this statement is true. Now we'll see the next question. We must always wash our hands before and after meal. Just now we have revised that what we should do, how many times we should wash our hands. First we should wash our hands before and after meal. Then we should wash our hands when we come from out, when we come from play, and we should wash our hands after going to toilet. So this statement is true or false? We must always wash our hand before and after meal. So this statement is true or false? Yes, this statement is true. We should always wash our hand before and after meal. So this statement is true. Now we'll see the next question. People use stones in olden days to clean their teeth. In olden days, people use stones to clean their teeth. No, na? Then what they use? Neem twigs. It was known as datun. What it is known as? Datun. So people use stone to clean their teeth? No. So this statement is false. What this statement is? False. So students, now we have seen true or false type question also. Now we'll see some other questions. So we'll see the next question. And the next heading question is, click the correct option to complete the sentence. So, shall we start with the first question? Okay. We should shampoo our hair regularly and dash. We should shampoo our hair regularly and dash. So, you have to complete the sentence. So, first option is keep our teeth clean, keep our scalp clean, keep our face clean. For what we use shampoo? To clean our teeth? No. So, we cannot keep our teeth clean with the help of shampoo. So, to keep our face clean, we use shampoo to wash our face? No. So, keep our face clean, this option is also wrong. So, which option is correct? Keep our scalp clean. We should shampoo our hair regularly and keep our scalp clean. We should oil our hair regularly and dash. Keep it unhealthy, keep it tidy, keep it dirty. What we should do? We should keep our hair. We should oil our hair for keeping our hair unhealthy and dirty? No, na? For what we should keep our hair? For keeping our hair tidy. We should oil our hair regularly and keep it tidy. So which option is correct? Option B, that is keep it tidy. Which option is correct? Option B, keep it tidy. Now we'll see the next question. We should use a clean handkerchief to keep dash. A. Our nose clean. B. Our teeth clean. C. Our nails clean. For keeping our nails and teeth clean, we use handkerchief. No, na. For what we use handkerchief? For what we use handkerchief? We use handkerchief to clean our nose. Yes or no? So which option is correct? Option first. Which option is correct? Option A. That is our keep our nose clean. It can get germs and dash. First option, lice if not kept clean, rot not kept clean, shine if not kept clean. So which option is correct? If we will not brush our teeth will shine? No. So our teeth will not shine. Our teeth will get lice. Where we get lice? We get lice in the hair, na? So our teeth get lice? No. So which option is correct? Option B. That is, if we will not clean our teeth, if we will not brush our teeth will get germs and rot if not kept clean. If we will not keep our teeth clean, our teeth will get germs and rot. Now we'll see the next question, next heading question. That is, click the correct option to answer in short. What is the question? Click the correct option to answer in short. Now you have to click the correct option to answer in short. That is, you have to write the answer. You have to say the answer in short. So are you all ready? Name 2 exercise to keep ourselves fit and healthy. I repeat, name 2 exercise to keep ourselves fit and healthy. First option is yoga and walking, drawing and painting, reading and writing. So, by drawing and painting, we can keep our body healthy? No. By reading and writing, we can keep our body fit and healthy? No. So, how we can keep our body fit and healthy? By doing yoga and walking. So, this option is correct? Yes. Which option is correct? Option A, that is yoga and walking. So, which 2 exercises we can do to keep ourselves fit and healthy? Yoga and walking. Some other exercises are also there, but if we'll do yoga and walking, we can keep our body fit and healthy. Now we'll see the next question. What happens when your hair is dirty? First, the hair get germs. B, the hair get rot. C, the hair get lice. What happen when your hair is dirty? If we'll not clean our hair, what happen? Our hair get germs? No. Our hair become rot? Our hair get rot? No. Our teeth get rot? Yes or no? Our teeth gets germs and rot. So, our hair, when we will not wash our hair, what will happen? Our hair gets? Our hair gets lice. What happened to our hair? Our hair get lice. So which option is correct? Option C. The hair get lice. What happened to our hair? Our hair gets lice. Now we'll see the next question. How many hours of sleep our body needs? How many hours of sleep our body needs? How many hours we should sleep at least? 3 to 4 hours? 2 to 5 hours? 8 to 10 hours? How many hours? If we will sleep 3 to 4 hours, we will fall sick. If we will sleep for 2 to 5 hours, we will fall sick. So how many hours rest our body needs? How many hours of sleep our body needs? We all know how many hours of sleep our body needs. We have studied this. How many hours? Yes, 8 to 10 hours of sleep. How many hours? 8 to 10 hours of sleep. How many hours our body needs sleeps? Our body needs 8 to 10 hours of sleep. Now we'll see the next question. Which of these do we use while taking a bath? What we use for taking a bath? We all know what we use. Nail clipper, water and soap, toothpaste and shampoo. What we use for taking bath? You all know we take bath every day, yes or no? So what we use for taking a bath? Yes, we use soap and water. What we use? We use soap and water. So what things we use for taking bath? We use soap and water. Now students, we have seen this short answer question also. So now we'll see the another question. So are you all ready? So our question number 5 is, click the correct option to answer the following question. Click the correct option to answer the following question. Now you have to click the correct answer. From the given 3 option, you have to click the correct option. So are you all ready? Okay. How we should keep our body? How we should keep our body? So there are 3 options. We should keep our body dirty. We should keep our body healthy and clean. We should keep our body unhealthy. Which option is correct? A, B or C? We should keep our body dirty? No, na? We should keep our body healthy and clean? We should keep our body unhealthy? If we'll keep our body dirty and unhealthy, what will happen? If we'll keep our body dirty, we will fall sick. If our body is unhealthy, we will fall sick. So which option is correct? We should keep our body healthy and clean. How we should keep our body healthy and clean? So which option is correct? Option B. We should keep our body healthy and clean. Now we'll see the next question. What should we eat? What should we eat to keep our body healthy? What should we eat? We should eat ice creams to keep our body healthy. What should we eat? We should eat ice creams. We should eat oily food. We should eat healthy food. What should we eat? Which option is correct? We all know. Yes, you all know what is correct. We should eat healthy food. Which type of food we should eat? We should eat healthy food. To keep our body healthy, fit and fine, we should eat healthy food. Which option is correct? That is option C. We should eat healthy food. What we should eat? We should eat healthy food. Now we'll see the next question. What did people use in olden days to clean their teeth? People use neem twigs known as datun to clean their teeth. People use sugar to clean their teeth. People use wood to clean their teeth. Now we have studied in this lesson what we use to clean their teeth. We use sugar and wood to clean our teeth. In olden days, people use sugar and wood to clean their teeth. No, na? What they use? What they used? Yes, they use neem twigs. What they use? They use neem twigs known as datun to clean their teeth. So which option is correct? Option A. That is, people used neem twigs known as datun to clean their teeth. What people use? People use neem twigs known as datun to clean their teeth. What happens when your nails are long? What happens? When nails are long, dirt and germs get in them. When nails are long, lice get in them. When nails are long, it becomes rot. Where we get lice? When our hairs are dirty, our hair get lice, right? Our nail get lice? No, na? Our nails become rot? No, our teeth become rot. So what happened to our nails? Our nails get dirt in them and germs in them. Yes or no? So which option is correct? Which answer is correct? What happens when our nails are long? When nails are long, dirt and germs get in them. When nails are long, dirt and germs get in them. So which option is correct? Option A. That is, when nails are long, dirt and germs get in them. Students, I hope you all must have understood this revision part. Yes or no? So you all will revise this revision for the exam? Okay. So keep on revising this revision for your exam. We will see soon with new lesson in the next period. Till then, thank you.